A dangerous malware campaign has emerged, targeting software developers. This campaign is known as GhostClaw, and it uses a rogue NPM package to steal sensitive information. Today, we'll explore how this threat operates and how developers can protect themselves. GhostClaw mimics a trusted developer tool called OpenClaw. By masquerading under the NPM package at OpenClaw AI, it silently steals credentials, crypto wallets, and SSH keys. The deception begins when developers install this fake package, believing it to be a legitimate command line tool. Once the installation command is executed, the malware quietly reinstalls itself globally using a post-install hook. This ensures the harmful binary integrates unnoticed into the system path, connecting to a hidden first-stage dropper called setup.jsl. This initial setup triggers the entire infection chain while staying hidden from the developer's view. Researchers from JFrog Security uncovered this threat while monitoring the NPM registry. They found it presents convincing fake CLI animations and prompts that trick developers into entering their system passwords. The script then fetches a second-stage payload from the attacker's server, leading to severe data harvesting. GhostClaw is alarming due to the breadth of data it collects. It targets a wide range of developers, adapting to macOS, Linux, and Windows. It steals system passwords, macOS keychain data, cloud credentials, and even iMessage conversations. After installation, GhostClaw can deeply embed itself into systems. Its method of tricking developers is particularly alarming. After running the install command, a realistic macOS keychain authorization prompt appears. This convincing dialogue urges users to enter their administrator passwords, validating each entry against the real system. Developers must act quickly if they've been infected. It's crucial to remove the .npm telemetry directory and check configuration files for any injected hooks. They also need to terminate any malicious processes and uninstall the package. Immediate password rotation is required for all credentials that may have been exposed. Given how deeply GhostClaw integrates itself, a full system re-image is strongly recommended. Developers should also revoke active browser sessions on platforms like Google and GitHub to prevent unauthorized access. Stay vigilant against these evolving cybersecurity threats. By understanding the tactics used by attackers, developers can better protect themselves from malware like GhostClaw. For the latest updates on cyber threats, follow us on Google News, LinkedIn, and X. Subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity insights and information. Stay safe, stay informed, and safeguard your digital environment from threats like GhostClaw.